Guys, I came up with another video where I will show you how we can access all AI models, pro models, Claude Opus 4.8, 4.7, 6, GPT-5.5, GPT-5.6 Soul and Terra, these AI pro models free of cost. In this video, I will show you a platform that is providing and how we can start the trial, business trial, and how we can access this to a limited way in a month. Like monthly trial will be there, how we can activate that. So everything will be discussed in this video, and before that let me show you how I'm able to access it, whether it's correct or not. I will show you the proof first. So if you see here I'm able to access Claude 4.8 or Sonnet 4.6 more model if you select. So you will get 5.6 Luna, 5.4 GPT 5.6 and Claude 4.7. These models we are able to access, and we are getting monthly 800 credits as a here as a to utilize AI here. So I will tell you how we can access it in a limited way, like the trick I will talk about. So guys, before that, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates. So let's jump into the main section. So guys, in this video I'm talking about one platform, that is Postman. So everything I will talk about it. So just let me open in an incognito mode first thing. Okay, so I will open in incognito mode, and if I directly simply search Postman AI, that's it, Postman, and let's click on the Postman first, the official link. And if you see here, the new Postman is here, the AI native API platform. I'm talking about this platform. So this, they are providing the AI options, right, AI models to use. So let's click on sign up for free. So the best part is, guys, as of now we are able to use a temporary email for signing up. So I will just search temp mail. Okay, and I will try to use one temp mail here. Let me click on this. So let's wait little time. I will use this one, copy, and let's click on work mail. So by default it will pick the username, like starting of the email, that will be your username. And make sure, guys, you store this particular email in your somewhere, like you keep storing, right, so that we can access it anytime. So I will write my password here. Okay, and then click on create free account. So guys, they are providing to ID level also, in the sense we can download Postman and we can directly access there. We can also use in directly this web also, right? So I will tell you everything. So let's just wait for this, and the OTP we should be receiving okay, 421146. So let's write 1146 421146 and click on verify account. Once this is verified, we will be able to successfully sign up, and we have to fill the details about like team and all, right, and full name, everything. Like let's see. So let's complete this data. I just wanted to MyCodeWorks, that's it. YT I will write, and then select option. You can just simply build API. You can simply select any of this. Full stack developer, one member. I will just simply put one member. You can put 10 member, 50 member, it's up to you. So let's click on setting up the workspace here. So once this is done, we will be upgrade our account to business one. So let's click on this. We can wait little time so that it successfully loaded properly. And if you see here, once we are able to sign up properly, we will be able to see the models here simply. Okay, we will be able to see the models, whatever models you want you can use from here. And before that, I have tried out some, let me show you. I have tried out this Mario game. If you see here, this is mini Mario game HTML I have created using this Opus 4.8. And if you see it, I just tried here asking to create a separate file, HTML file, so we can use it in a way like how we can use. Let me show you here, right? So now we have easily signed up on this platform, and we can use it, right? You can select and you can ask anything. So before that, we have to upgrade so that we can enable the business trial. Let's click on upgrade. Once you click on upgrade, you just select enterprise $40, $49, right, and click on start enterprise trial. So if you click on start enterprise trial, we will get 1 month free enterprise trial easily. So if you see here, enterprise trial ending in the 30 days. Now we will be able to see the credits here. You will be, let's click on this, and I will show you the credits. You will get 800 credits to utilize AI. If you see here, AI credits is 800. Means you can utilize, is up to how you want to use. So the main part is how we can utilize in a kind of unlimited way. We can sign up 4 to 5 or 10 temporary accounts, and we can utilize it in our own way, like how we want. So we will get 800 credits each account, and we can easily use it. So guys, this is one. And now let me directly go to this. We can create a document here. Okay, we can create a document here, and we can utilize this to work on this particular. Okay, save it. Let's save it. And once saving, we just need to click it here. right side, and if you see here AI is showing, just click on AI and you will be able to see this and select the model, right? And I just want to ask you, my space in my system is not working properly, so I'm going to use this temporary keyboard, right, virtual keyboard. Write a video description on how to create a whatever you want, like just write an ATN or an ATN agent. I just giving for example only, I'm just showing you. So build faster with agent mode, enable agent mode. Just we have to enable the Postman agent mode first. You can simply enable it by going here, just enable it, and it will be enabled for all users. So just you can go back and you can work on that space, right? So again, let's click on this and AI, something went wrong, we can ask, so it will start working on this, right? Okay, it is saying that it is only required, it can only work on Postman thing. But if you see here, I created one document. Under this document I'm able to, if you see here, you can simply use it. I just created one document here, and in that I asked to create things, right? We are able to work on this particular document level, that is MD5, right? We can work on this. So guys, in this way we can use this, and you can also create a document and you can ask to write under that document file. It will work. So that's all guys. If you are facing any issue, and please let me in comment section. I will try to help you out, and we can utilize this platform Postman to use AI models free of cost. Thanks for watching this video guys. We'll meet in next video. Till then, bye bye.